In Peirce County, Washington, deputies kept running into the same driver again and again. In November 2025, 46-year-old Kylene Ann Robertson was arrested 4 times for DUI in just 11 days, often found behind the wheel, surrounded by nitrous oxide canisters, known as whippets. These are the body cam encounters that led to her arrests.
Okay. I don't know where to put this.
You can put it in the, anywhere inside there, inside the.
Why is he doing that?
Oh, it's okay. Just step out, man. Oh, you have a cast.
Yeah.
Oh,
I am
okay.
not feeling good.
Okay.
Oh, I have a lot of. I just
Okay.
have. Okay.
Hi. Just so you know, we have cameras on here. I just
Okay.
didn't want you to drive away. That's why I'm talking
Okay.
like that. Can you just step up here so we don't get hit?
Okay.
Do
Yeah.
you have pants?
I don't. I have a broken leg.
I understand that, but you're not wearing underwear or anything.
I know.
Okay.
I'm trying to get home. Okay. Sorry. I just.
Yeah. Okay.
Can I just go home?
Nope. Pinpoint Peoples. Have you been huffing today?
No.
Not in the car just now?
No.
Not at all?
No.
Would you be willing to do some voluntary field sobriety
Yeah, I
tests?
will.
You want your dude to do them?
Ow.
We haven't practiced them at all.
Ow.
Otherwise, we can do them.
He hasn't practiced. I'm in at this time. Go ahead and place with you're under arrest.
Okay.
Place your hands on that.
Physical control. I only got 2 out of 6 on HGM, but yes. It was very apparent on the lack of sneak pursuit that the distinctive system was kind of good.
Call my boyfriend to get me out.
We'll talk about that in a minute, okay? And I'd just like to remind you that we all have cameras on, okay?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
Okay.
Can you call my boyfriend on my phone?
Oh yeah, gotta remember that.
Still in the vehicle.
Okay.
You decided not to cut over or anything. She's talking. She's alerting you that you absolutely
Right. Okay.
Hey, man. Hey, miss.
Yeah.
You all right?
Okay?
Yeah.
All right. You want to step out? Okay, you're stuck?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, the fire department's here to now. You get unstuck.
Oh.
She's okay. She's stuck.
Okay.
She was inhaling that stuff while they were trying to get her.
Was it nitrous oxide?
Nitrous oxide, yeah.
Okay, so she's doing whippets.
Yeah. So she's obviously a DUI.
Yeah.
In front of her. Here, pull up further.
Hey there, stop. Stop.
You're not free to
Park
leave.
the car.
Stop.
You're not free to
Park the
leave.
car.
She's got it right here, Montana.
Can you have the grant contact info for the RP?
You see it right here? Yep. It's out right here. Out of the box. On the floor.
Yeah.
So we're nitrous, and then it's it right there.
Oh wow.
So she huffs it with those little caps, and then
Why is there a bottle right there in front of you? That's the old style. Like here. I bring your shit back over here. Yes, I'm dead serious.
you want to start a tow.
Yep.
Would you like your phone out of your car?
Yes.
Okay. Well, your car's going to get towed. Again.
Surprise you if I told you that I'm aware that you've just recently been arrested for DUI for the same thing?
Yep.
It would surprise you?
No.
No? Do you know how I know that? Do I look familiar?
Yeah.
Because I was there.
Yeah, I know.
How many times have you been arrested within the last week figure?
3.
3 times.
Yeah.
That's kind of crazy, right?
Yeah.
If I was to get that camera footage right there on that corner, is it going to show you using that?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Oh my gosh.
Because they said tomorrow they're going to be able to provide me with that footage.
Okay.
And what do you think that's going to show?
I don't know.
We're going to call the prosecutor tonight, and we're going to tell her how this is the 3rd time in a week we've got this.
Okay.
Okay, because this is not okay.
Okay.
You're going to crash and kill somebody.
Okay.
So what's going to happen?
Okay.
Okay?
Can I get in my car?
No.
You're good with me? All right. Go ahead, take a seat, all right?
Let me get in there.
All right, so chop with that first foot forward. Or you can sit down, which one, if that works for you.
Yeah, I don't know. Ready?
All right.
It's fine.
All right. Kind of do like a push back when you sit down, when you sit backwards, all right?
Okay.
All right.
I am. Oh, it won't let me. Okay,
Right.
The other way. I'll try it.
All right, sideways. You're going to try sideways instead?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. All right, can you raise that other foot?
Yeah, can you hold me?
Yeah, try to raise that foot. I'll hold on to you so you don't fall backwards, all right?
Okay.
There we go. There we go. All right,
So we live here. We heard a loud crash.
Okay.
Came out. She struck my daughter's car, and then she pushed
Into the other car.
my mother-in-law's car.
Is this the driver
This
here?
is the driver.
Okay.
And I'm around. My foot fell off. Slipped off the
Ma'am, what did you just get out of the hospital for?
Oh, that's for my broken foot.
Okay.
And
Are you on pain?
it screwed me off.
Are we on pain meds or anything?
I haven't taken any.
Okay.
But I came down the hill and I couldn't get my foot to stop it.
Okay.
I have my insurance card right here.
Okay. Okay, you got your ID? You need medical aid.
I got in a car wreck, John.
Ma'am, do you need medical aid?
Huh?
Huh?
I'm fine.
Okay.
I'm just really sore.
Okay.
I'm really sore. I tried to stop. My foot.
Okay. All right. Just can you turn your car off for me?
Yeah.
How you doing? Are you with her?
Yeah.
Okay. I understand she just had her foot.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I couldn't get I was
You have
trying to slide over.
You have like a boot or something on you?
Yeah.
She's got a broken foot.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. You're okay though? You don't need medical aid? All right. Were you coming down this road right here then? Trying to make the turn? And couldn't get the brake onto the brakes? Is that what? Okay. All right. Were you wearing your seatbelt?
Yeah.
Okay. And you're not hurt? All right, good. Did you guys live close by or?
Yeah, just down the street.
Oh, okay. Okay. All right. How long ago did you get out of the hospital?
She's been in and out like a couple times. Just she's had some medical issues she's trying to figure out.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, this week she's visited a couple times.
Okay. All right. Well, I don't think you'll be able to drive this out of here, so we'll end up having to tow that. So,
Yeah.
okay. Well, if you,
Sorry.
what's that?
Sorry.
It's an accident. It happens, right? At least you're not hurt, and that's good. If you want, since you obviously can't run the car, if you want to get her to sit in your car for now, just stay warm or whatever. Or let you help her walk.
Yep.
What foot is broken?
The right.
Oh, the one you're.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did the doctor want you driving with that thing on?
No, I was just running an errand real quick.
I
don't know. He's never said don't do it,
Yeah.
But,
okay. All right. Well, if you want to let her
stay for some paperwork or something.
Oh yeah, you got to stay for a few minutes. We got to get some information from you guys. My partner, I think, has her paperwork anyways. So.
Okay.
But if you just want to get her in your car to stay warm, we're gonna have to tow the car. So we'll deal with that here, and then we'll have a case number and stuff for you for insurance purposes. Which you're gonna need these other folks' vehicle information too. So we'll get all that for you.
I can't walk.
No, you can. You were just walking out of the hospital.
No, I wasn't.
Okay.
I was not walking out of the hospital.
What's that?
Figure out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, then, do you want to help her out, or because you are under arrest, you have several warrants?
Close the door.
No, I'm not going to go out.
Okay.
I'm going to talk to my attorney.
You don't have a choice.
You have warrants?
I can't move, you guys. You don't understand. That's why I was going to go back to the hospital.
Okay, well, you just left, so you're going to be booked into Peirce County Jail, okay?
So, sir, since you probably didn't hear this, she has multiple warrants for her arrest. She is going to go to jail now. So.
I'm not.
Oh, you don't have a choice, so.
Everything is audio video recorded also. This isn't a matter of, we're going to discuss it. It's, you have warrants
I'm going to
signed by a judge.
contact my attorney.
No, that's not it.
You are going to jail.
And I'm pretty sure it's a first-party warrant.
What are the warrants for?
For the DUI offenses that she's been doing.
Multiple.
Okay.
I know you're because I've contacted you on them, right?
Yeah.
So at this point, it's a simple misdemeanor, right? It doesn't matter. The courts have literally issued warrants for your arrest because you continue to do this.
No, I don't.
You have. You've actually did 3 DUIs. You've been arrested for DUI 3 times in 8 days. After the fact, you were involved in a collision in Tacoma where your vehicle was also totaled.
Yeah.
Okay? So now you have warrants for those arrests. This is not up for discussion.
Judges have signed it.
I can't move.
Okay. You've got the option to wheel her out. If not, I'm going to confirm the warrant and essentially make sure that it's a first-party residence. If you guys refuse to come out, we will use force to go through your house and get her. Right now, it's just a simple misdemeanor, right? This is nothing personal, but we have a job to do. We could escalate it further, though, based on what she decides to do.
I'm just confused by the warrants when she already went to jail and I bailed
Because
her
she
out.
was booked into jail, right?
Yeah.
And she was bailed out. She was never arraigned. Okay? So now this is a judge signing off on it saying she needs to go back because they believe she's a danger to the community because she's been arrested several times.
I can't even move.
Each time I've contacted you, it's been the same thing.
I have 7 blood clots.
It's unfortunate, but you have a warrant for your arrest.
And you just left the hospital against medical advice. So. If the medical situation was that serious, you wouldn't have just left.
So, is this a situation where I still am able to bail her out?
No. Well, so
after she's to the judge, probably.
So essentially, it's 2 warrants. I'd have to look at the bill, and I'd be happy to do that for you after this. But right now, we've got something that we've got to do right. She is under arrest.
Well, I don't know how they're gonna get
I'm
me
still
out.
confused why, like.
You can be confused all you want, but I'm telling you lawfully, all on camera, right, that she is under arrest and she has a warrant. If she continues to refuse to come out or we make this any more difficult, additional charges could be filed.
I'm not making it difficult.
Okay, cool.
I'm just trying to understand it, okay?
Well, I don't know what else to tell you,
I
man.
feel like you're being a total jerk.
Okay.
Please, I'm not coming out.
No, you are.
No, I'm not.
You are.
I can't.
Yes, you can.
No, I can't.
Every time I've contacted you, you've been in that boot. Okay?
No, I just got the boot.
He's literally there with a scooter to help you get out of the car.
Yeah, I can't move.
County 470. Can somebody confirm if that warrant is first party?
How can he get me out?
Received. Okay, she's in the garage. Refusing to come out, so we're gonna go in.
No, just give me a second. I
Do you
can't
have a
move.
wheelchair? Do you have some other
I need
this
form of transport that you like?
I can't.
Okay, that's
I can't even walk on this.
Stop. You're gonna get on that scooter and you're gonna get out, or I'm gonna pull you out of the car. This is your last warning.
1, 2.
Affirm.
Gotta go.
Oh. Owie.
Do you want to pull up here real quick?
I'll hold off until she's on the scooter.
Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to get her down the hill if you're able to.
Yeah,
walk.
we can. We will definitely do that.
Okay, get your knee on there. Come on. There you go. Okay. Alright.
And then we'll put her in cuffs, and then she can sit
Can
back.
I sit and you
Or
put
do you
me
want
in
to
cuffs?
sit and cuff through?
Can you just do it that way?
Yeah, that's not a thing.
Yeah.
I
Bring your hand
can't.
back here, Kevin.
Hands behind.
My partner's gonna hold
sure
you,
you
make
don't
sure you don't fall. This hand?
Those were the body cam encounters that led to multiple DUI arrests in Peirce County. If you found this footage interesting, make sure to like the video and subscribe to AmmoCam for more real body cam cases just like this one. Thanks for watching.